So hello, good morning. I am Trisha Sierrakel from Group 3, and our system is about the pharmacy management system. I'm going to answer from numbers 11 to 20. So for number 11, identify the product category with the highest average product price and display the top 3 most expensive products in that category. So we have to go to the SQL. So the first thing to do is to select the product name, the category name, average of the price as the highest product price from the product details. Inner join products on the foreign key product ID and the primary key product ID. Inner join category on the foreign key category ID and primary key of category ID. Then group by the product ID, the product name, and the category name, and order by the highest product price in a descending order, and we have to limit it to 3. So here's the results, which has the name of the products, the category name, and the top 3 highest product price.